Guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time, hit the subscription button for me as we scroll through the questions we have for today. Let's jump straight in and see. This is the question we have for today. We are supposed to simplify just this simplification of this: n permutation r divided by n combination r. Permutation is used when order matters in the question. The combination is used when order does not matter. So permutation and combination, we are just dividing permutation by combination, and that's what we want to simplify. So let's go straight in and use the formula to simplify it. Now this is what we have for permutation. For permutation, we have n factorial divided by n minus r, all factorial. And then for combination is n factorial divided by r factorial into bracket n minus r factorial. You can see here that permutation and combination are almost the same. Why? The only difference is this r factorial. So we only multiply it by what? 1 over r factorial. So when you multiply the permutation by what? 1 over r factorial, you will get what? Combination. That is what it means. That is all. So what is the difference? The difference will only be the 1 over r factorial that you use to multiply. So we want to simplify, and then you see the trick. So now let's simplify this. This one gives us what? The same 10 times the reciprocal of the right hand side. What it means that after changing the division sign to multiplication, we reciprocate what? The right hand side for it to balance. Now we can do some cancellations over here. If you bear with me, you can see that we can do some cancellations here. This one can cancel out this one. I hope you can see it. Also this one can cancel this one. Then we are left with just r factorial, which is this. We are left with just r factorial, which is this. Therefore our answer bounces back to what? R factorial. So that is what we have. So this is the trick I'm trying to show you over here, that if you divide permutation by combination, you are going to get what? R factorial if they have the same specs, n and r the same. That's what I'm trying to say to you. Right? Now if you really understand this, if you really get this one, let's try and see what you see here. Now use the above solution to try this question on your own. Since you get that one, just use the above solution that we have over there to try this question on your own. So you can pause the video here and try it and see, so that we'll see whether we are all on the same road. Okay, welcome back. You have paused the video, you have come back. Okay, now let's try and see what we have here in your own. I have 5 factorial is equal to what? 120. I hope you had the same thing. Congratulations, you can clap for yourself, you have done well. Now one may ask, how come 5 factorial is what? 120? Okay, you can use your calculator first of almost 5. You can press 5 on your calculator, then shift and then the X box, which is at the left of the log sign. Then you get a 5 factorial, which will give you 120. But in manual, this is what you are going to get. 5 factorial is just going to be equal to 5 times 4 times 3, sorry, I didn't write it well, times 2, then times, sorry, the multiplication times 1. So when you multiply this, you get what? 120. When you multiply all this, you get 120, and that's how we get what? 5 factorial. I hope you are feeling good. Let's see the next question that we have now. The question I have for you, with the idea you have over here, with the idea you have from permutation combination, please simplify this. You might see it as very simple. Just try your hand on it as you stay back home. Try your hand on it as you stay back home. Now this is the link I have for you. Follow the link below. This link will show you what? The solution. You follow this link, you see the video on this and the other videos on permutation and combination. If you follow this video, please just hit the subscription button for me as we meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.